Latest health news and innovations for the wellness of people, animals, and the planet. Health news. A new study found vegetarian and plant-based diets associated with lower incidence of COVID-19. Plant-based and vegetarian groups had a higher intake of vegetables, legumes and nuts, and lower intake of dairy and meat. After adjusting for important confounders, such as body mass index, physical activity and pre-existing medical conditions, the plant-based diet and vegetarian group had 39% lower odds of the incidence of COVID-19 infection, respectively, compared with the omnivorous group. Electrical deep brain stimulation, DBS, is a well-established method for treating disordered movement in Parkinson's disease. However, implanting electrodes in a person's brain is an invasive and imprecise way to stimulate nerve cells. Researchers report a new application for the technique, called magnetogenetics, that uses very small magnets to wirelessly trigger specific, gene-edited nerve cells in the brain. The treatment effectively relieved motor symptoms in mice without damaging surrounding brain tissue. A significant win for beagles occurred when, in January 2024, the USDA declared the cancellation of a breeding facility's license in Virginia. This action was taken due to the facility's continuous violations of the Animal Welfare Act. The decision came after a prolonged legal dispute and widespread public outrage regarding the mistreatment of beagles bred for research purposes. California introduced a new law restricting pet stores from selling dogs, cats, and rabbits unless they originate from shelters or rescues. The primary objective of this legislation is to reduce the trade of animals bred in commercial breeding facilities that may have questionable welfare standards. Eco News. Maasai women in Kenya have devised a clever solution to tackle the invasive and dangerous Opuntia cactus. This plant, known for its spiky outer layers that pose a threat to livestock, is being transformed by these resourceful women into biogas and preserves. Not only does this initiative create job opportunities, but it also empowers the women involved in the process. A company in Seattle has created a groundbreaking type of coffee called beanless coffee by using superfoods and waste ingredients from plants like date seeds. This unique blend imitates the chemical composition of coffee, but with a remarkable reduction in the negative effects on the environment compared to traditional coffee production. It has the potential to decrease emissions and water usage for coffee production by an impressive 94%. These news reports are just a glimpse of the thrilling updates regarding the wellness of people, animals, and the planet. Keep in mind that any action, regardless of its magnitude, can have an impact. Therefore, continue to promote environmental awareness, adopt sustainable practices, and be part of the movement towards a healthier and happier planet. Don't forget to share this message with your loved ones. Together, we can transform the world into a greener, cleaner, and more vibrant place.